Hi everyone, this is Nehal. Imagine an AI that can write, create, and even help with your work. And the best part, it is completely free. Sound unbelievable, right? But it is real. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works. This amazing AI tool is called Qwen 2.5 Max AI, Alibaba's latest free online AI tool that's making waves on the internet. And guess what? I'll guide you step by step so you can use it like a pro. I have put together a simple step-by-step tutorial. This tutorial includes how to access the tool, easy login, sign up guide, what this AI can do, for example, text generation, image creation, video creation, and coding. This is a live demo, and I will show you some of the tips. Let's dive in and explore the power of Qwen 2.5. First, we have to go to the Google search engine, and then we have to type, a Qwen 2.5, and I will click on this link. When you click on this link, this page will open, and then you have to come down, scroll down a little bit, and then you will see this one, Qwen Chat. Click here. For sign up, you have to enter your full name, enter your email, you have to create a password, then you have to re-enter the password, and this is the way you can continue. You can create your account. After logging in, you will see the main interface, and on the main, this is the main interface, and it's showing my name, and here you can see artifacts, web search, image generation, video generation. You can create image, you can create code, and you can make your plans, news, and more. So the first thing I will show you how to create an image. I will click here, and I actually made one of the prompt, and I will show you. And you can make a prompt. I mean, whatever the prompt you like, you can have it. But I made a prompt like create an image of a cute 3D cartoon style boy with a big cheerful smile. He has bright expressive eyes, rosy cheeks, and playful looks. Blah blah blah. And this is my prompt, right? And I will click this, and it's creating an image, and we have to wait for few seconds. This is really a fast model, but we have to see. Okay, and you have to wait for the result. I hope the result will be fine. And I mean, you can have your own prompt, and you can look at this. So beautiful. Can you see that? Cheerful smile and everything. So this is the way you can create any image, whatever you like. And if you like to download, you can download from here. Okay. So I will download, and okay. So it's downloaded right now. So this is the demonstration of how to create an image, and then you can go back from here. This is my another prompt for image generation from text. I like to create a futuristic sci-fi robot with a sleek, high-tech design standing on another planet, and this is the detail. So I'm clicking it right now, and I like to see the result. This AI model is really fast. I really appreciate the speed of creation. Yes, look at this. Wow. And the result, well, this is the result. You can see the result now. Nice. See? Can you see that? It's really beautiful. So I like to download it right now. Now I will show you how to generate a video. The duration of the video will be 5 seconds. There is a drop down menu for the video. This is the drop down menu for the video aspect ratio. I am selecting 6.9 aspect ratio, but you can choose any aspect ratio, the best suit for your video. Look at this. This is the way I choose it. To do this, I need to click on the video generation option. This is the video generation option. I need to click on the video generation option. Here is the prompt I made. I will copy paste the prompt. Just hold on. This is the prompt I generated. This is the prompt about a futuristic looking robot with a dark mechanical part, and the robot should have an very dangerous looking eyes, glowing and blue eyes, exposed mechanical part, and this is the detail. So I'm going to click here and wait for the video. This video generation option is very useful. You can use it for creating stunning visual animation and much more, and we have to wait for that. This video has been created and it's ready to play. I'm playing it right now. You can see that. This video was created in just 6 minutes. Take a look at the result of this animated video. It's truly outstanding, especially considering that it was created using a free AI tool. The level of detail, smooth animation, and overall visual quality make it an impressive example of what AI generated content can achieve without any cost. Look at this again. I can play on a big screen. Wow, man, look at this. Amazing. All right. Now let's talk about the coding. You are not a programmer and you don't know how to code, but you want to create a game. Don't worry, it's now possible. Even if you know nothing about programming, you can create any game using AI tool Qwen 2.5, which is available online for free. You are now on the main interface of the Qwen 2.5 Max page. Step 1. Click on Artifacts. Now you need to write your instruction about the game. It is very simple. Describe how your game should look, what type of character you want to use, and any specific features you would like to include. Let's do it together. Follow my lead. Use Pygame to create a game called Pack Boy, which is very similar to Pac-Man. You play as a yellow circle with an eye and a mouth. Automatically moving forward, you are in a maze. It's truly fascinating to witness how AI create and develop games. Imagine a world where coding, once considered a skill requiring years of learning and practice, is now being generated instantly with the help of artificial intelligence. Right now, you can see AI automatically crafting a code for our Pi game project, making the entire process faster, more efficient, and accessible to everyone. This not only enhance creativity but also allow developers to focus on refining ideas rather than spending countless hours debugging or writing repetitive code. The future of AI driven game development is truly exciting. Many people have incredible game ideas but struggle to bring them to life because they lack programming skills. With AI powered tools like this, they no longer have to worry about coding complexities. Now anyone with a creative vision can easily execute their ideas, turning concept into fully functional game without writing a single line of code. This breakthrough is making game development more accessible than ever, empowering more people to innovate and create. Congratulations, you have just built a Pac-Man inspired game using Qwen 2.5 AI assistants. Feel free to add more features like ghost, power-ups, and sound effects. I hope you enjoyed this detailed tutorial. You have learned how to create stunning images, craft engaging videos, and even develop a complete game using Qwen 2.5 AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.